Number one, people, I don't do investments. I don't know how many times I must sing this song to you guys. I don't do investments. I don't do account management. I don't have Telegram. I'm going to repeat. I get investment, I get account management, I get Telegram. I don't have Telegram. So those are the three main things that you should always remember. And then again, I would never DM you, or any of my members would never DM you or send you a message asking you to join anything. Would never do that. Never. Search for your name and DM you. Who are you, Wena? So many people love feeling special. So special, Wena. Ngaso DM utla unroha ko WhatsApp are, yeah, you said I must invest, you even DM'd me. Who are you when utlo grand DM mark ngaso yeban sample chika kudu mana. I will never DM you, always remember that. Betwell, ST, Fosh, Kucho, any of the FBK members would never DM you. Once you get a DM saying, hi, this is Mamam from FBK or what, just know it's a scam. Would never, you are not so important, chief. You are not, me DMing you, what will I get? Now, if you need my help, you have to run after me, not the other way. If you need me, you must be the one sending me a DM, not me sending you a DM. Why the fuck would I send you a DM? And even my DMs now are crazy. They are flooding as we speak. But I will respond to you guys when I want to respond to you guys. Don't ever feel special thinking we're not to a good DM. Tell them that you are not so special. I will never DM you. These people are fake accounts. There is nobody in my team who has time to search for your name and DM you. Unless you are a beautiful girl, then that can be explainable. Or if you are a beautiful girl, then it means no, you would find sometimes if you are a beautiful girl. Mara, a man, imagine me DMing a man. Hi, chief, never. Would never do that. So I don't do investments. I don't do account management. I don't have Telegram. And I will never DM you. That is install it in your head. I've seen so many people commenting, but yeah, he even DM'd me. Kia profile nya ga mthakolo na le o driver bajaj ke mara mthako ga fa bana una na nga tlola G63 ka DM motho driver bajaj ki shaka ka bajaj ya ga go mona e bana o tlo kra bana le confidence ngwari I even DM'd me. Hey, chief, you are not so special. I will never DM you. If you want me, run after me. Send me a DM. I will respond you after 3 months. That is the way of life. That shows who needs who. You need me, not the other way. I hope that was clear. I got to discuss a tabari fake account. People saying they've invested. I don't do investments and I will never DM you. You are not special. That was for the last time. Aleko. Anyways, sorry. So anyways, yeah. So as I was saying before, that I made a vow, I made a promise that I'll make 1 million from $100. So this is the progress. This is the second trade. So on the second trade, the first one was actually closed sorry, on I think it was 1.2 somewhere there. Yeah, 1.2 somewhere there. Probably 1.2 somewhere there. I actually thought it was 1.3, but yeah, it's 1.2 plus the 120. So the total balance was 1.3. So now this is the second trade. On the second trade, I'm sitting on about $14,000. This is the second trade of making 1 million. 14,000. Let us calculate how much is $14,000. $14,000 is 199,000 rands, almost 200,000 rands. Langushish, that is 14,000 rands. So on the third trade, that is when I'm gonna make 1 million. So now when you do a recap, you'd recall and remember properly that I have started the account on $120 and I've traded 3 times and I'm definitely going to make 1 million. This is the second time. So now you should know that this thing of saying when you don't have money to fund your account. It's just lame excuses, man. It's just lame excuses. You can do anything you want to do. You can literally do. I've started this account on $100, chief. Every day you spend money buying the Savannah, the morning after pili, the condom. No, but when you buy those things, alcohol, you have money. But when it comes to this, you are telling me that I must fund your account. Fund your account for what? But anyways, I still have a big project that's coming, an initiative that is going to help upcoming traders fund their accounts. But this one, I will start it at home, which is FBK students. I'll tell you guys more about it in the groups anyways. So, we'll be giving away 1,000 rands every day on Instagram Live. I will tell you guys details in the FBK groups about this one. Every day we'll be giving guys 1,000 rands e-wallet so that you can try and fund your accounts and all that. But details will follow. So those are some of the projects I'm actually working on, trying to uplift those who are unable to uplift themselves. So anyways, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so back to the account. Yeah, so you can see it. So this is the second trade. It's sitting on 14,000 USD. Ne? That is the $100 account that I've started, and I can reassure you there is no robot in the world which can think and trade like me. O ka no ba botsa ka moka, o ka ba botsa papago nna mna ke better robot ka better mshimayana mfana wabana. When it comes to life on its own, I fuck up at some point, I do mistakes, I spend money recklessly, I make bad choices eventually because I'm a human. But when it comes to the market on its own, you are going to bow down. Other things you can judge me, it's fine. But when it comes to this, better robot So anyways, yeah, this is a new broker that I'm using, by the way. This is a new broker that I'm using, by the way. Anyways, that's not why I'm on this live, because I see people are people are barking. What's the word? People are lashing other people on the comments. English is running. So anyways, it's fine. I don't need to know English if I'm making money. So this is the second account, but the main one in a way. So this one, I've started it on 280,000 deposit. The first trade, I've closed it on about 1.6 million, somewhere there, if I'm not mistaken, 1.456, somewhere there. Today, I've closed it today. Sharp. So now, this is the current situation right now. With this trade, it's on currently it's on 6M, floating up and down. 6M floating up and down, but never mind the total that you're seeing. Focus on how much I started on. Langushish, I started on 280,000 rands deposit. This is the second trade already. I'm sitting on this. So Kinyaka, really gain a confidence in your trades. I want you guys to gain confidence in what you do when you're trading the market. Langushish. So never mind the total. That's none of your business. The skill is what's important. Langushish.